beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn from Digital Plans, and I know it's like really late, but I'm just getting into my April lineup. Can you even believe that? Okay, now I'm missing a week, right? From March, I'm missing this week, and then of course all of April, and we're like halfway through April, and I've done nothing. Now, in my defense, this goes, does it? Yes, this goes into March. So this is the week that I'm missing, and then we have to plan for 4 weeks of different kids. Now, this is going to be Easter, and then right here, where is that? I think it's the 13th, so tomorrow I'm gonna go watch the new Fantastic Beasts movie. And I kind of wanted to do something for that, but it's the same week as Easter, so I think I'm going to do a Fantastic Beasts here because we've been doing like a binge watch of the other two this past week. So it kind of makes sense to do a Fantastic Beasts team here and then a couple of Easter kids because I do want to do a couple of Easter kids. I do have Easter foil, which I'm excited about. I have like a Harry Potter foil, but I don't know. I will show you the kit that I want to use for this one. Is called Fantastic Creatures by Love to Plan 92, and I think it is really beautiful. It's definitely not my color scheme now, but the characters are cute, and I thought it was going to be what is this? I thought there were gonna be new kits for like the new movie, but like nobody cared apparently. Only me, because like I'm obsessed. But yeah, this is the kit that we're going to be using this first week. I am excited about the movie. I don't know if I love this kit. I mean, like, it's cute, but I don't know if the colors are my thing. I love this because we will definitely be able to do some foil on top. So that's going to be fun, but I don't know the foil yet. We do have like a Harry Potter foil, so maybe we'll use that. Let me check. As you can see, it is like heavily Harry Potter related because there's like a lot of Snitch in the bold, so like not really like the glasses with not really Fantastic Beasts. So I don't know if we're gonna be doing this. We could use stars in gold as well. I actually will just leave with the stars in gold right now, and if we need, do I even have gold? Rose gold, copper, yes. I think this will look cute, right? On top. Yeah, this looks really cute. So we're gonna leave these two together for the first week, and if I happen to come out with some Fantastic Beasts related, which I really don't think so, I'll change it. But this is right now the plan. What are we doing? Okay, now we're planning for Easter. Now, this has been a really big thing for me because I have no, I've seen all of the Easter kits that come out, and I'm just like not 100% sure what I want to do. I got White Flowers by Pink Planner Shop, which is one of my favorite shops, and I got this kit and I think it's really pretty. And it's not completely like Easter, but it's got like the rabbits, regular eggs, not really like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not completely Easter, but it's got a little bit of the vibe. So I don't think this is gonna pass for this week, which is Easter. So I thought maybe next week we could use these, which is a little bit Easter, but like not. And I love the flowers. And I think we could do, what can we do with these? There's so many possibilities. We could do rose gold florals. We could do any of the Easter kits. Let me think. Oh, and then I got a couple more, oopsies. I got a couple more kits also from Pink Planner Shop because she had like a 50% discount in all of her, in all of her like kits. And I got this one, which I think is really cute. I think this one is called Cotton Candy, and I think this is going to be like the perfect transition into one of like spring fun kits, you know? Oh, isn't this so cool? I think with some foil, this is gonna be so freaking cute and adorable. I don't know what foil I want to do, but I think bows, because there's like quite a bit of bows around. I feel like bows will look great. I should probably make like candy related foil. That would be so cute. But for now, I think I'm just gonna go for bows. Maybe we'll do rainbow bows. I don't know. So we're missing our, okay, that's basically done. We're just missing our Easter kid. Funny enough, we don't have an Easter kid. Now, hold on. Let's go into, oh, this is so bad because I have like so many kits that I need to use. But let's go into our Etsy shop. And let's check. I do have a couple of things in my cart, and those are from Pink Planner Shop, but those are not Easter related either. From the Planner Shop, I have a couple of things that I want. Now, this is the one that I wanted, but this is never on sale. Like, this shop never has sales. But isn't this so cute? What is this called? Bunny Crossing? Is that what this is called? I don't know, but it's like a mixture between Easter, so it got all of the bunnies, and it's got all of the like painted eggs and all of that, but also it's got some like Animal Crossing, like some games and stuff, and I think this is so cute, and I think this will look extremely adorable with the Easter foil in the pastel rainbow. I think that will be so cute. Look at that. I really want to get this, but at the same time I'm like, it is not, it's like double the price like what I like to get. So I might have to like go search if anybody else has these art in their shop. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna search all of my shops, and if someone has this art that is not, this crazy price, because I normally get them for like half the price. Also, let's just quickly check. I should have done this before. I'm thinking about this one for next week, but I don't know. Let's just quickly check if we have anything here. There's like more summery ones. I have this one. I don't remember this one. Spring Fling by Paper Crown Planner. This could work really well, and it's got a lot of flowers, which I really like. This is also like a spring one. Full Bloom by Paper Planner. I can't speak today, goodness. That's cute. Cute. I don't know, I just want like that vibe, you know what I mean? Mystical. I don't know. I don't have it, you guys. Like, I don't have the kit that I want to use for Easter. And honestly, we're just gonna leave it at that because I feel like I always purchase stuff and then I'm like, not really. So I'm just gonna take, I think, a screenshot of these so that I know like the shop and everything. And I'm gonna add that here as like the potential, as like the potential thing that we want to use, right? For Easter. And definitely gonna add my underlays. Wouldn't that look so freaking cute? I think this will look so cute with that. Wouldn't that look cute together? That would be like perfect. So I'm gonna just leave that there as like inspo to see if I want to use that or want to buy something else or want to find something else, but that's like basically the idea. So we have Fantastic Beasts, so excited. Our Easter, I really want that kit. I probably will just go ahead and get it. And then for these, I thought maybe we'll do the same, but we'll do it maybe the green. Fun. I think that would be really fun to do with the green, but also we could do florals if I don't want that in like rose gold. Would be really pretty. Let's check the florals in like baby pink. I think this would look so freaking cute. Can you see that? Like with the green, like we use these for example with like the green. See? Okay, so we have two options. I think I'm gonna end up going with this because I'm gonna use Easter and then I'm gonna use something else here. So probably the baby pink. I think this is gonna look so cute. The baby pink florals would be really adorable. And then I have this one, which I have no idea what I want to do. Oh, I said maybe we'll do We could do celestial, wouldn't that be cute? But we can also just do, where are the bows? Yes, we could just do bows. Oh, we can do anything. Like, the sky's the limit. We can do hot pink, we can do purple. I mean, we can do rainbow. I think rainbow will be really cute. Yes. What are we thinking? I think rainbow would be cute, but also, like, we could even mix them up with some, like, hot pink and whatnot. Right? I mean, we can do any bows that we want, really. So we're just gonna leave a couple of colors here for inspiration. Hot pink. Do I have any purple? Yes, we do have purple. I just kind of want to know how that looks like. I think that's gonna look cute. I don't have like the bottom washi to see how, so I don't remember the bottom washi, but I think rainbow, hot pink, purple kind of colors in bows would look really cute with these. So we have, is that it? Are we done? That is so exciting. Okay, we're done for this month. We're done for April. I have all of my inspo and everything that I want to use. I am super excited about it. I can't wait to start doing my memory plan for April if I can finish March. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Beautiful, beautiful planner girls. And I'll see you hopefully while doing some of these really cute spreads in some of my next videos. Bye guys!